Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Tableau Cloud for data dashboards, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Tableau Cloud. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Tableau Cloud website. On the main page, look for the Sign In button, typically located in the upper right corner. Click on the Sign In button. You will be directed to the Login page. Enter your email address associated with your Tableau account. After entering your email, tab to the next field or click into the password box. Type in your password carefully. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, follow the prompts to verify your identity. Once you have completed the verification, click on the Sign In button. After signing in, you will be taken to your Tableau Cloud homepage. Here, you can view your data dashboards, projects, and any shared content. To navigate to a specific dashboard, click on Workbooks or Dashboards in the left-hand sidebar. Select the dashboard you wish to view or edit. If you encounter any issues logging in, check for any typos in your email or password. Consider using the Forgot Password link if you need to reset your password. Once logged in, explore the various features Tableau Cloud offers for data visualization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.